Are you looking for the perfect dash cam to capture every detail on the road? Today, we're diving into the 5 things you didn't know about the Vantrue N5 4-channel 360-degree dash cam. Your eyes on the road, night and day. Welcome back to the Inspect Aspect. If you value safety and clarity while driving, the Vantrue N5 might be just what you need. In this review, we'll uncover 5 crucial features that set this dash cam apart, along with some insights you won't want to miss. First off, let's talk about its groundbreaking 360-degree recording capability. This dash cam is equipped with a dual-core processor and can capture footage from 4 different cameras, covering every angle of your journey. With a maximum resolution of 2.7K for the front and 1080p for the others, you can say goodbye to blind spots. However, do keep in mind that high-resolution footage may require more storage. Next, we have the industry-first rear cabin camera. This feature is particularly useful for monitoring passengers or pets in the back seat. You can keep an eye on what's happening behind you and ensure everything is safe and secure. There's a downside, though. Some users wish for a bit more flexibility in camera positioning. The STARVIS 2 technology, combined with infrared night vision, takes nighttime recording to the next level. It captures clear images in low-light conditions, which is great for rideshare drivers or anyone who drives at night. The only drawback? The infrared lights can sometimes create a glare on reflective surfaces. Let's not forget the impressive 5G Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities. This feature not only allows for faster data transfer, but it also enables real-time tracking and route navigation. However, getting everything set up can be a bit tricky for some users, albeit worth the effort. And finally, the 24/7 buffered parking mode offers peace of mind while your car is parked. This mode kicks in automatically when the ignition is off and records any suspicious activity. But be aware, it does require a hardwire kit for optimal functionality. So, should you buy the Vantrue N5? With its advanced features and reliability, I'd say it's a solid investment for anyone serious about driving safety. Just make sure you're comfortable with the finer setup details. For anyone looking to enhance their driving security, this dash cam could be just what you need.